Are we on the brink of a staged alien invasion? That's the provocative question at the heart of Project Bluebeam, a theory claiming global elites might one day simulate an alien event to take control of the world. But where did this idea come from? And how could such a plan even work? Stick around to discover just how feasible this theory might be. The origins of Project Bluebeam go back to the 1990s with Canadian journalist Serge Monast, who claimed that NASA and other organizations were developing advanced holographic technology to project massive realistic images into the sky. According to Monast, the first step would be a staged alien invasion meant to create widespread fear and unite the world against a fake extraterrestrial threat. But it doesn't stop there. The theory suggests these holograms could even mimic religious figures, manipulating people to accept a new world order. As wild as it sounds, the technology may not be entirely out of reach. Think about it. We already have holographic concerts, AI-generated deepfakes, and immersive augmented reality. Imagine that scaled up to an international event designed to deceive millions. But could such an elaborate plan really work? Coordinating a globally synchronized alien invasion would require an unprecedented level of control, but the psychological impact would indeed be massive if it succeeded. Faced with an alien threat, people might give up their freedoms in the name of global security. Not everyone buys into this idea, of course. Many argue Project Bluebeam is nothing more than a conspiracy theory, blown out of proportion from military advancements and psychological warfare tactics. Critics point out that no concrete evidence has emerged to support its existence. Yet, the theory persists, fueled by growing distrust in institutions worldwide and concerns about media manipulation. In today's world, where deepfakes and AI-generated content are commonplace, the question of what's real and what's staged becomes more pressing. Whether or not Project Bluebeam is real, it raises some compelling questions about our vulnerability to deception. In an age where what we see on screen can be easily manipulated, how prepared are we to discern fact from fiction on a grand scale? This theory, while speculative, underscores the potential dangers of technological manipulation. So, should you be worried about Project Bluebeam? Even if it remains in the realm of conspiracy, it serves as a cautionary tale about how easily our perceptions can be controlled. Watch till the end to see how the concept of Project Bluebeam has evolved and why it still resonates with so many. Could there be a grain of truth in this theory, or is it simply a symptom of our fear of the unknown? Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more intriguing insights into the mysteries of our modern world.